Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Tips for Your Voice. If someone asks you to sing and you aren't warmed up, you're asked to come on stage and do a song, you're recording and you're starting to feel a little bit cold, you've warmed up, but you've been waiting. You've been waiting to go on stage. There are non-singing exercises you can do. First, you have a closed mouth yawn. Lips together. And in the back of the throat, as you're thinking of a yawn, the soft palate is going to raise up. Now you're going to feel the stretch back there. And then you open up and yawn. What that does is it starts the blood flowing. It gets your body ready to do some work. Next is the open mouth yawn. And you can go into a high note, ah, and falsetto for you guys, ah, or if you've got really nice high voices, ah, okay? You can also do, ah. Now, if you can't make a sound, okay, then just yawn. Okay? Next is, my computer says, the tongue rotation. Mouth is closed, tongue is rotating in front of the teeth. Then you're going the other way. One way, then the other way. You're not pulling down. You're pushing out with the tongue. Again, it's the blood flowing. One way, then the other way. The tongue press, that's pulling down. Only for you guys would I look like this. You know what I mean. Okay. Press, release, release. Okay? Now you have the rocker. This one you don't want to do in front of people. You want to turn around and or go to the bathroom or something and do this. But I'm not going to do for you. Now I want you to look right here in the laryngeal area. Tip of the tongue comes out. Tip of the tongue goes all the way to the back and looks at the back of the throat. Watch here. Only for you do I do this. Okay, just between you and I, right? Nobody else is watching. All right, let's see. The uvula mover. Now, this one's a little bit hard, and it's going to deal with nasality, so I'm going to hold off on that. Understand you're dealing with cartilages, ligaments, nerve endings, blood vessels, muscles, all these muscles. And the vocal folds actually are ligaments. They're coming from front to back, okay? They're like a V laying down, swing together to make sound. So you need to stretch them out a bit. Now your muscles are going to say, okay, great. There's some saliva that started already, and a little tip about saliva. If you're on stage or you're recording and starting to feel dry mouth, and you have like a little bit maybe where there's like a little bit of an interlude and where instruments are playing or something, and you're waiting to come into the next part, bite the tip of the tongue with the mouth closed and then swallow. That brings up saliva. Who knew? Okay, this is a short one but very, very important. Also, you can start humming, or go from a high note, if you can make sound. If you can't, keep rotating that tongue, keep doing the tongue press, yawn, okay? I hope that you have gotten something that, well, I know I can't talk right. Blah, blah, blah. I hope you've gotten something from this, and actually, I know you have. This comes in so handy when you can't go and vocalize, okay? And I'm looking at my piano and Spartacus? Is Spartacus here? Did he decided to join us? I know we're at the end, but hey, I'd love you to subscribe. Here's Spartacus. He says, please subscribe, right? Oh, look at Spartacus. He says, if you don't subscribe, I'm going to die. I'm just going to die, right? I'm going to die, honey. Yeah. So, I'm going to come up with some more. I'm going to talk about nasality. Maybe next. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. But Spartacus says he needs you to have a really great day and he needs me to feed him. Right, baby? After we get scratchies. Rubbies. Not scratchies, right? He scratchies. Right? You a good boy? He's such a great guy. Okay. We're going to say bye right now. Right? You're going to say bye? Spartacus. Don't forget, you better subscribe. I'm looking to make a whole bunch more subscribers in there, so YouTube loves me. Oh, feels so good. All right, bye-bye.